Alrighty folks, it looks like the crazy robot is at it again. This time it's blown itself apart and we got to put it back together. So if you look at the basic instructions right here, it gives you the folder structure and everything you need there. It has the images here that you need to download, and then a basic look of what your interface should look like. This is not pretty, but this is the basic idea. You need to flex those CSS muscles so I can see your skills as far as that goes. But that's the basic part, and the idea is that you're going to drag the pieces from the head here over to the head on the robot and so forth until you complete the whole thing. And then the advanced content is you're going to stick a timer on it right here. And then this Liliac video, it'll be gone by the time you get here, but look up Liliac Rainbow in the Dark if you want to see an awesome cover of Rainbow in the Dark.
Like a rainbow in the dark. Just a rainbow in the dark.
That's only there as a placeholder until the video I'm filming right now goes there. So that's it. Let's go see a real live demo of it right here. And I will again be the first to tell you that this is not pretty. The goal here is not to show you how fabulous my design skills are. The goal is to just show you the basic functionality so that you can make yours function. So here we go. Starting off, you'll notice none of the robot parts are in the junkyard. That's part of the requirement of the assignment. And so let's start with just forever for the timer. They get 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or forever, and that's spelled out in the instructions. I click start countdown. The pieces appear and it says seconds remaining forever. So I got all the time in the world to take my time and drag the bolt over here. And then notice when I did that the words and the dotted lines and everything disappeared. Also notice if I try to put the head inside the body, it won't go. It won't work there. It only will go in the head section. And then the right arm, the left arm, and then the body. And thank you, you saved me once again. And notice how the robot looks, that all the pieces are together. It's not, the arm isn't off to the far right or the far left, too far away from the body. The head's not crooked. I mean, it looks like the original robot. So make sure yours looks close to this, right? You don't want the arms all the way down by the bolt or all the way up by the head or something like that. They need to be adjusted properly. That's the basics there. Let's go and put the actual timer on this time. So let's go for 5 seconds. I think it's impossible to do in 5 seconds. Let's try it. I'm going to try really hard to do it fast. All right, here we go. Ready, start. Head, arm, other arm, both. I couldn't do it. That's pretty hard. I don't know if it's even possible. So let's give ourselves 10 seconds here. 10 seconds and start. And we get the head. We get the arm, bolt, body. Notice, of course, that the timer also stopped once I finished building the robot. And one more time, let's do the 5 seconds. I'm just going to let the time run out. I'll put the head in, put the body in, then I'll let the time run out. And notice the error message we get says, nice try, but I'm dead now. So that's it. That's the entire program, how yours should function. Not necessarily how it should look, but how it should function. The only part that should look similar is this part here. You should have a junkyard that looks something like this. I don't care how the pieces are stacked. I have them stacked this way, but you can stack them however. And then you should have something that looks like this that shows the user where they're supposed to drag. But everything else is completely up to you how you make it look. Make it look fabulous. Good luck saving your robot.